Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome Loyalty Squad, this is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another awesome video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to lose 30 pounds in 30 days. And this is somewhat of a military style diet because this is going to fill you up with lots of fiber, lots of antioxidants. This is going to shrink your belly, and you drink this in the morning as well as in the evening. And this is going to shrink your belly, shrink your arms, shrink your waist, shrink your thighs. This is one of those overall drinks, okay? So this is going to help you to get in shape. And this is fast and easy to make, and in 30 days you will see yourself shrunk down. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So in this video we're going to be using our blender, okay? And we're also going to be working with some wonderful, powerful ingredients. We're going to be working with a lemon, some carrots. Now, these are little baby carrots. Usually, this recipe calls for 1 carrot. So what I did was I used the little ones. I used the little ones. These are organic carrots, and there are about 10 little pieces in there, okay? Also, we're going to be working with about 2 to 3 inches of ginger root, 1 apple. Now I decided to use my green apple because it has less sugar, as well as 1 big cucumber. And we're also going to be using 2 cups of filtered or spring water, okay? So let's start right now. So what I'm going to do for now is put my carrots, first of all cut them a little bit more, my carrots, and pop those into my blender cup. Next I'm going to take my ginger root, and I'm just going to cut that also into pieces. Okay, pop that in your blender as well. This is very easy to make. Next, we're going to take our cucumber and just slice that also into pieces. Okay, now as you can see, my blender is getting mighty full, so I may have to start pre-blending some of this just to make some room in the blender. Okay, next we're going to use our green apples, and we're also going to take those and cut them into small pieces. Yeah. You know what I'm going to do? Instead of my personal size blender, I'm going to switch to my full size blender. We're going to need as much space as possible. Okay? So just add that into your full size blender. Okay? Now you're going to add your apples in there. I don't know what I was thinking of, you guys. Because look at how full this is already. Okay, so make sure you start off with your full-size blender. Also, I'm just going to add in the 2 cups of filtered water. And lastly, I'm just going to take my lemon, And I'm just going to squeeze the juice into my blender. So now we're just going to take our blender cup, our blender, and we're going to blend this up. Okay, next we're just going to get our mug and we're going to pour in at least half of our ingredients, leaving 24 ounces left. And that's it. We're just going to pop in our metal straw and your drink is ready. Now what you can do is you can also chop in, add in a couple of ice cubes just to make it a little cooler. But this is delicious. Now you're going to feel the heat from the ginger, and that's the burning effect. That's going to help to melt that fat away. That lemon, it's going to help to boost your metabolism as well as shrink you down. You don't taste the carrots, and basically it's like a nice refreshing drink. Like I said, just add in a couple of ice cubes and you are good to go. Okay, store the rest in your refrigerator and have it before bed. This is powerful, and you do this for 30 days and you will see weight loss. So you guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me on in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey and is trying to get rid of that stubborn belly weight. Look down in the Amazon affiliate links for the personal size and full size blenders. If you're interested in purchasing it, I have links down below for that, as well as where you can find these awesome metal straws and more. Okay, also check out my eBay store where you will get the flat and firm belly detox. That is one popular detox, along with the moringa bitters, the living bitters, all the other detox that works wonderful for weight loss. Also some wonderful herbs and spices to boost your metabolism up, as well as to get rid of that extra weight. Check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare videos, beauty care videos, and more. Alright, and don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will join you again in the next video. Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you again with a powerful announcement. Now, if some of you haven't visited my eBay store, you are definitely living under a rock, because you are missing out on this organic fit and flat belly detox and energizer tonic. This tonic has been flying off the shelves. I've had to restock my inventory several times. This is powerful. I've used it myself. I'm still currently using it, and like I said, it works. Okay, this tonic is going to help you to lose those inches. It's going to make you feel better. It's going to clean your blood, burn that body fat. It's going to flatten your tummy and remove that waste out of your body. This is also going to boost your metabolism. For those of you who are suffering from slow metabolism and cannot get that weight off, try this tonic. It's going to boost you up. This is going to detox and energize you, and it's also going to strengthen your colon because it's going to be squeaky clean. All right, check down below in this video description for the links to my personal eBay store, where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this powerful detox that specializes in removing waste out of your body and slimming you down. So if those of you who are really serious about your weight loss journey and need that extra boost, this is going to help you, along with all the other wonderful teas and detoxes and smoothies I've been showing you throughout the year. All right, so go ahead, shop, check your girl out. I'm telling you, it's been flying off the shelves. This is my 4th time restocking this item, and I got plenty for everybody. So like I said again, y'all, check down below in this video for my eBay link for my personal store, where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this firm and flat belly, and it's all organic, natural, 100%. All right, so I will see you down below. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys have fun. Okay, and I will see you in the next video.